Listen carefully, because this message is for anyone who feels their legs are getting weaker day by day. If you struggle to stand for long, if climbing stairs feels harder than it used to, if your legs feel heavy, shaky, or tired even after rest, then this video is for you. Most people think weak legs come only from old age. That is not true. Weak legs come from hidden deficiencies, poor absorption, and one big mistake most people make every single day. And today, I'm going to share 2 vitamins that doctors quietly agree are more important for leg strength than even vitamin K-2 for many people. These are not bodybuilding supplements. These are not steroids. These are basic vitamins your body needs to keep your leg muscles alive, strong, and responsive. Stay till the end because I'll also share simple daily habits that can make these vitamins work faster, starting tonight. Why legs become weak? Your legs are the largest muscle group in your body. They need constant nerve signals, good blood flow, and proper muscle repair. When even one of these systems fails, your legs suffer first. That's why people often notice knee weakness, thigh pain, calf cramps at night, shaking legs when standing, fear of falling, loss of balance. And most people blame weight, arthritis. But doctors know something else is happening underneath. Vitamin A1, vitamin D3, the muscle signal vitamin. Vitamin D3 is not just a bone vitamin. Doctors now call it a muscle activation vitamin. Here's why it matters for your legs. Your muscles have vitamin D receptors. Without enough D3, your muscles literally stop listening to your brain. That causes weak contractions, slow response time, poor balance, higher fall risk, muscle pain and heaviness. Many people take calcium and still have weak legs. Why? Because without vitamin D3, calcium cannot work properly. Low vitamin D3 is extremely common, especially if you stay indoors, cover your skin, avoid sunlight, are over 40, have digestive issues. Doctors often see patients regain leg strength within weeks of correcting vitamin D3 levels. Immediate tip: Find 1. Expose your arms or legs to morning sunlight for 15-20 minutes if possible. No sunscreen during this short time. This helps your body naturally activate vitamin D, vitamin A2, vitamin B12, the nerve power vitamin. If vitamin D activates the muscle, vitamin B12 activates the nerve. And weak legs often start with weak nerve signals. Low B12 causes numbness in legs, tingling or burning feet, heavy legs, poor coordination, slow walking, fear of stairs. Many people don't realize their legs are weak because their nerves are starving. Doctors see B12 deficiency in people over 35, vegetarians, people with stomach problems, those taking acid-reducing medicines. Without B12, your nerves cannot properly send messages to your leg muscles. The result? Your muscles are there, but the signal is weak. Immediate tip: Fight 2. If you feel tingling, numbness, or burning in your legs, do not ignore it. These are early signs of nerve weakness, not normal aging. Why these 2 vitamins work better together? Vitamin D3 strengthens the muscle response. Vitamin B12 strengthens the nerve signal. Together, improve balance, reduce leg fatigue, improve walking speed, support muscle repair, reduce fall risk. That's why many doctors focus on these 2 first, before adding anything else. The big mistake most people make. People take vitamins, but they don't change daily habits. Without the right habits, vitamins work slowly. Here are simple actions that make these vitamins work better. Habit way 1. Nighttime leg activation. Before bed, sit or lie down. Move your feet up and down 20 times. Rotate ankles slowly. Tighten thigh muscles for 5 seconds. Release. This sends blood and nerve signals into the legs. Habit way 2. Protein with breakfast. Muscles need protein to rebuild. Add eggs, yogurt, lentils, milk, nuts. Even a small amount daily makes a difference. Habit 23. Don't sit for hours. Every 30-40 minutes, stand, walk, stretch. Long sitting shuts down leg circulation. Why overnight? Improvement feels real. People often say, my legs felt better overnight. What's actually happening is reduced inflammation, better nerve signaling, improved blood flow. It feels fast because your body was deficient, not damaged. Important safety note: do not self-medicate high doses. Always use doctor-recommended doses. Check levels if possible. Avoid mixing with unnecessary supplements. This video is for education, not medical diagnosis. Who benefits the most from this? People with weak knees, people afraid of falling, people with leg pain at night, seniors, office workers, anyone over 35. Final message: weak legs are not your destiny. They are a signal, not a sentence. When you nourish your nerves and muscles correctly, your body responds, sometimes faster than you expect. Start today, support your legs, protect your independence. If this message helped you, share it with someone who struggles to walk, stand, or climb stairs. Strong legs mean freedom,